Welcome to Bitglass Glass Class. Today we're going to be talking about CASBs for the healthcare industry. So whether you're a hospital, a healthcare service provider, or just somebody within the healthcare industry where you're providing services to these other organizations, you probably have a lot of sensitive data that you need to protect. Stuff like your patient or user's name, their address, their social security number, even their medical record numbers, and more importantly, their medical history information. So you need a way to provide protection for that data in a secure manner while also enabling your employees to have access to that data in a secure manner. Bitglass provides total data protection for all of that to any device anywhere through a combination of our proxies as well as APIs for the data at rest. So that means we're able to control which users have access to the data, what data they can upload or download in a secure manner, as well as being able to provide protection for that data at rest, such as encrypting the data or removing shares to ensure that it's not exposed to third-party organizations that you don't want it to be. Now, with that said, there are certain use cases for the healthcare industry that are very unique in which you have sensitive data and you might actually need to send that information to third-party medical practitioners. Let's say you have a patient who is seeking an outpatient medical procedure, or you have somebody who wants to just seek a third-party opinion. Now you have a third-party medical practitioner that needs access to your very sensitive data outside of your corporate network, right? So how do you provide access for that? Well, with Bitglass, we have an active sync proxy and a reverse proxy that allows us to enable those people to gain access to sensitive information in a secure manner, always going through us, without having to install an agent or worry about where that user is. Right? That medical practitioner might be in another state or across the globe, but we're still able to provide access to the sensitive information in a secure way and make sure that they're only accessing the type of data that they need while blocking or redacting the rest of it. So any data that they download, we could go ahead and encrypt or DRM to make sure that it's in a secure state. So just remember that with any CASB, and especially with Bitglass, your goal is to try to provide total data protection across all of your sensitive information. But more importantly, you're trying to enable your employees to access that data in a secure manner so that it's not disruptive of their work and to ensure that your patients are always protected. Thank you very much for tuning in to Glass Class. Stay tuned for the next one.